warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL 70, broadcasting near Charlotte on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Canton, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Gaston, Argyle, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee, and York. This concludes the No Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. This concludes the No Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for yesterday, October 24th, 2022. Yesterday, a No Weather Radio All Hazards degrees occurred at 3:54 p.m. The normal high is 71.
It would have been a perfect activation if you